I've got a fish, but I think I've run around your line. Two kayakers, one fish, triple hookup. Here we have a triple hookup with Tommy and I. Unfortunately, only one fish is involved. Hey, it's not me, it's you. I think we're off. I think we've lost him. No. My live is still swimming, but he's pulled my hook straight.
Come on, kid! You big loggy!
Wat lag jy vir my? I've never gone that fast in reverse. My bait just got smashed. Went reverse full speed. A little hammerhead. He's giving me curry for a little hammerhead, I can tell you that. He does. This is just warm up for the pelagic season. I have one word for you. Now if you let go and stop trying to chew my lip grip, you can swim away. Come on, let go. It's not edible. Let go. Correct technique. Correct technique. I'm on your video.